Opening a Nickel account is fast, secure, and done entirely online in minutes. First, prepare an official ID, a passport or national identity card with photo. Next, have proof of address handy, a recent utility bill or bank statement. Also keep your email, phone number, and basic personal details within reach. Go to nickel.fr and click the Open an Account button to begin the application. Fill each form field carefully: full name, birth date, address, and contact information. Upload clear, well-lit photos of your ID and your proof of address documents. Complete the selfie verification step by following on-screen prompts to confirm identity. Pause to review the account fees, limits, and benefits before you submit. Nickel charges a small monthly fee, low transaction costs, and includes customer support. Submit your application and expect an email confirmation with next steps and card delivery. Ready? Visit nickel.fr now to start your application and open your account today.